Hello, this is Cash Illustrates, and I'm Cash. Welcome to the channel. In the previous video, I showed you how to draw eyes. You can check out the video here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the nose from a few different angles and the basic shapes involved. If you like what you see, please hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get started. Sorry, I have an itchy nose. The nose is generally composed of three basic circles. One is the tip of the nose, and then the other two is the nostrils. And then there's the bridge of the nose, and that muscle, when I was showing you how to draw the eyes, which is in another video, that is attached to the nose and is part of the nose technically. And then from the nostrils go these little this connective tissue that connects your nose to your Cupid's bow. And based on the shape of the nose, the Cupid's bow will fall in a different spot. So to demonstrate, let's show a different size nose with more oval shapes. And see how the Cupid bow is far more narrow than in the previous shape. Now, don't feel like you have to limit yourself to any specific shapes. You can really play around with noses because all sorts of noses exist. Okay. Now that we have the shapes in, let's kind of bring in some line work to see how it actually works in the context of a drawing. The lower part of the nose tends to have the most detail, and I will actually draw all those parts. Some people have a little bit of a ridge in the middle of their nose, and this is because the nose is actually made up of two bits of cartilage, and some people's cartilage discs are less fused than others, which creates these shapes. Now, you can actually go extremely minimal and just really draw the nostrils, the bottom part, and just kind of accentuate the nose like that. And you can do it with a lot less lines. Let us draw the nose from the profile view, and let's take a look at how these shapes exist within the profile view. So like before, we're going to draw the tip of the nose, but because this is the profile, we don't want to draw both of the nostrils. We're just going to draw half of the nose and half of the nostril. Then the bridge of the nose is a bit of a triangle. And as you can see here, the shapes are still there, and with a little bit of line work, we can actually make it look more like a nose. Sometimes you want to draw your character from a lower angle, and this requires new angles for the nose. And so let's just, for funsies, use the same principles except apply it from underneath. Underneath the nose, the nostrils tend to be more oval rather than round. And then the nostrils are not round, they tend to be kind of little triangles. You don't see the bridge of the nose very much when you're looking at the nose from this angle, but you do see the cheeks. And so those are the shapes I was working with before. And now with a little bit of line work, we can make that nose a little better. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you liked what you saw. And remember, if there's anything you want to know how to draw or you have an idea for a future video, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. And as always, take care and be kind to each other.